guys, you want to go ahead and introduce her real quick? She ain't gonna prepare. She ain't gonna prepare.
She a rock star. She on every call, every podcast.
No problem.
So first, I want you just to introduce yourself, introduce your business, so people can know where they can find you at, and then we'll jump right on into it.
Well, great. So my name is Michelle Williams. My business is the Williams Agency, and we're down here in Macon, Georgia, guys. 4875 Riverside Drive, Suite 104, down in Macon, Georgia.
I love it. So guys, she is killing it right now. Like they said, she is the first African American regional manager, so that is a huge accomplishment. So I'm going to ask her, how is it being a female in a male-dominated industry?
Oh, it's tough. When I first entered into Equus, I said that. I said, why is there so many men in this industry? In this business, not enough women. So it was pretty tough for me. So I made a goal.
Okay.
To say I'm going to bring more women into Equus. I wanted to bring more women into the insurance business, and I wanted to dominate with the women in this industry. So it's pretty hard being that every time you turn around is males, men, and it was very frustrating for me. So I had to make that change.
I like it. I like it. So right now, do you currently have more women, I'm assuming, in your business right now?
90% women, 10% men.
Guys, this is the big one. This is what I've been wanting y'all to hear. She made, is this the correct number?
Ask her to see.
Okay, so hold on. If it's wrong, I'm so sorry. $50,000 in 3 months?
That's correct.
In 3 months. How did you do
In
it?
the past 3 months too, right? The last 3 months.
In the last 3 months, put my head down, just went out there in the field, got my team. Yeah, doing COVID. COVID don't, guys, I don't use that as an excuse, okay? COVID is what it is. You know, they tell you to put the mask on, put your gloves on, take your sanitizer, and that's what I did. My clients let me in, I'm there, okay? My team, getting in touch with McCore team, McCore girls, of course, and one guy, Robert, I can't leave you out because Robert is always with me. And just getting together and just figuring out how we're going to do this. You know, what are we going to be writing this month? Wait, this month is our month. We need to go out there and make it happen. We want to do more than 50,000. So we just do it every month. I mean, we just put our heads down and make dials and go see people face to face. That's what we do.
And see, she goes face to face, guys.
Face to face.
And she's a natural already, as y'all can tell. Like, she just so fluent on camera. She's not shy. So don't be shy if you're trying to come in and be in this business.
No, you can't.
What do you have to tell people who are new, who are coming on, who want to have a chance to get financial freedom, have a chance to do something different?
That's a good question. I'm going to just tell you what I tell my agents when I
Okay.
bring them on. Be coachable.
Okay.
Listen to your mentors, because I did when I first got into this business. Be coachable. If they tell you to go out, go. If they tell you to buy leads, buy them. If they tell you to do phone appointments. Be coachable. That is all I can say. Work hard, and if you're a woman and you have kids, you're a wife, listen, don't make that an excuse, because I'm all of them, okay? Don't make it an excuse. Work around it. Get with your spouse, your boyfriends, your mothers, whoever that can help you with the kids, and just go out there and win.
I love it. Well, guys, what do y'all have to ask?
I got a question for Michelle.
Yes.
I got a question. I know you answered. You said you give new agents advice, but what advice are you giving somebody who's watching this, who may watch this and say, "She made 50,000 in 3 months"? What are you saying to them? Like who think about an opportunity, think about a change in career? What are you saying? Because we're all at a point. One time we say, "Look, we need to do something different." Like we got to a point, we need to do something different. What made you do it? What are you telling them?
Well, for those people, I'm going to tell you right now, it's not easy. So don't go quit your job and come over here and think you're going to make it that quick. Now, no, I've been at this for 2 years, okay? I just know what it takes now with great mentorship. I know what it takes to do it. So to you, if you want to come in here and you already have a job and you're saying, wow, she made over 50,000 in 3 months, start part-time. Come get your feet wet. But when you come in part-time, you got to work just as hard as if you were full-time, okay? Come in part-time, get paid over $1,000 a sale, because it's possible out there when you're dealing with leads, and just work hard. It's just not easy.
I love it. It's real. The work, it ain't easy.
It's not easy.
This is no get rich quick scheme.
It's not a get rich. No, it's not.
We don't play those games here, man. We actually working. We're trying to build something big to last. That's market shaded question for Michelle.
Oh, man.
You talk to Michelle a lot of going on.
You know he gonna put you on the spot.
I love it.
I'm sitting here like a sponge, just soaking up all the good information. The good thing is, man, I think we met about 2 years ago when you first started, and she had hit DM district manager, and she was making a run from RM, And I think you talked about it on the call, about that transition going from DM to RM, how you kind of had to get out your own way. Can you kind of talk about that?
Yeah, because sometimes you could be a personal producer like myself, and you could be a little selfish with your time. Personal producers want to go out there, and we know what we can do, right? We know we go out there, we write, we can make money. But it wasn't about that.
Right.
If I had to be a regional manager, I needed a team for that. I needed to be able to help other people fulfill their dreams.
Right.
So it just wasn't about me. So when I decided to make that run, I reached down in my legs and say, hey, I'm ready to bring you women up with me. You know, what can I do to help you ladies grow? And that's when they started saying, well, Michelle, this is what you can do. With me doing that, it has me where I'm at today. So that's what it is.
So that's the second time that you heard not being selfish. The last video we talked about not being selfish. So this business is a very unselfish business. So you have to be willing to help others. Appreciate it. Thank you.
Michelle Williams, and I want to ask you another question because you
She's gonna
specifically.
get you.
I know. When she says certain things, I think people need to hear what she got to say, really.
Yeah.
So Michelle, why do you focus on? Not saying you won't recruit men and hire men, right? But why do you focus on women?
Well, it's basically what your wife asked me at the beginning. When I first came in this business, there was already a lot of men. So I wanted women. I wanted more women, more ladies, women that want to be free. Get off their jobs and enjoy and go on business with your husband. Take a vacation, babysit the kids. Here at Equus, you can come to the conventions. You can bring the kids. Just women. We need more women. It's not personal. I love men. I have a couple guys on my team, but we have enough men in Equus. Okay.
And it's an opportunity where anybody can make money in it. So women, we do need more women to come in because women are flourishing, as you guys can see. 50,000 in the last 3 months. Newest RM to the Equus team. Michelle Williams, I love it.
Thank you.
Michelle Williams, I appreciate you. Thank you so much for your